Indaba khulu lapha Amaphandle angena enarheni ngokungemthetho. UNgqongqotjhe uDorh Motsoaledi uthi unethemba lokuthi imhlangano esezingeni eliphezulu izawuqeda umraro lo. Ubawa abaholi benarhakazi ye-Afrika bona bangenelele ukuthola insombululo.
After 2008, the period which I've reflected on, since that time, NICOC, the National Intelligence Coordinating Committee, when they were doing their intelligence estimates, they realized that there is one of the problems is the problem at the borders. That since democracy, because we are no longer at war with our neighbors, there was peace, there was everything, there was less focus at the borders. And they realized that that was a problem and a weakness.
Motsoaledi nakaphendula nge-Operation Dudula uthi lokho akusimsebenzayo kodwa amaziko wezomthetho ekufanele ayokusetshha Amaphandle anganamaphepha afaneleko ukuba senarheni le. Kodwa nanyana njalo Amaphandle angena ngokungemthetho enarheni le. Motsoaledi uthi lizowatshingela ilanga. Umnyango wezangekhaya uthi uzozithathela amagadango abukhali imphathiswa ezokutholakala zenza ubukhohlakali.
In November, I took a trip to Lubombo border post in Mozambique to take part in the arrest of 6 Home Affairs officials who are working at the border, 1 police officer working at the border, and a Mozambican hawker who were also running a racket about passports, breaching our laws. They are in now. As I'm speaking to you now, there is a person who was part of this photo swap, who is a South African, is serving and working in Home Affairs. He's serving 8 years. Now this week, we are arresting 8 Home Affairs officials.
UNgqongqotjhe wamaSewula Afrika bona azibike izenzo ezingasisemthethweni ema-ofisini womnyango wezangekhaya.